Hello students, it is a question in GATE 2017 asked for 2 marks in subject called Digital Logic Design. Here understand what question is given. Consider the Karnaugh map, we call K-map in short, below, where X represents the don't care conditions and blank represents 0. Assume for all inputs A, B, C, D, the respective complements A complement, B complement, C complement, D complement are also available. Now the question is, the above logic is implemented using 2 input NOR gate only. The minimum number of gates required is, how many gates are required? To implement the Boolean function using NOR gates, okay, first we have to simplify this K-map. Now to simplify the K-map, here by observing this K-map, I can say that these 4 squares are adjacent forming a quad, so that the minterm representing this quad is, here you look, this is DC, this is BA, and D is differing with 0 and 1, means D's get cancelled, and C is 1 in both of this, so that it is represented with uncomplemented with C, and this quadrant covering these 2 columns also. In these 2 columns, the first bit is representing B, second bit is representing A. Now B is differing with 0 and 1, so B get cancelled. And what is common? A. For A, what is a bit? We have 0. 0 is represented in the form of complemented form, so that it is representing a minterm CA dash. Okay. Now the function, Boolean function represented by this K-map is CA dash, and moreover, to implement this Boolean function using NOR gate, it requires to represent this as a sum term. Instead of product term, it is to be represented with sum term. So I will be using simple logic here. CA dash, okay, CA dash is a function. Now I have to take complement over complement again. Here X I can write as X complement whole complement, means complement get cancelled, so that it becomes X. So I'll be using 2 times complement. It means I can represent the same as, C complement. This is a dot becomes plus, this A complement whole complement becomes A using De Morgan's law, and whole complement means just one complement have removed, and this is the result. Now it is same as C complement plus A whole dash. If I am taking an OR gate, one input is A, another input is C dash, so that output of this is A plus C dash. Because we need whole complement, I use a bubble here. Using bubble at the output of OR gate, we call it as a NOR gate. So that for implementing this Boolean function A dash C, we use how many NOR gates? 1 NOR gate. So answer for this question will be 1.